So I have this box right here, and it contains a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. So there's actually two units right here, which is a smoke alarm and a carbon monoxide alarm. One without an LTE screen. So yeah, as you can see, like look at this. It says smoke alarm 10 years, so never change the battery. I don't understand why you should never change the battery on this one, because usually on every smoke alarm you have to change your batteries every 6 months. But that kind of makes sense as because it is a 10-year battery, so we don't have to change it because it lasts for over 10 years. So, yeah. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's inside of this box. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. Boom. Open the latch up, nice. Bam. And let's open that. So as you can see, we have literally like a 2-pack of batteries, as you can see. We also have this little smoke alarm thingy right here. And an instructional guide, and of course we also have the carbon monoxide alarm itself. So I wonder how you actually set this up, but let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so now we just took out the two batteries. It's time we actually place them right in here. So this is going to be the plus right there, which means the plus is gonna be over here. Oh, hold on. Yeah, so the plus, so this is the plus sign right here. And there's a plus over there. So I'm assuming, oh, dang. Bro, hold on. Let me just put the camera down for 1 second. Plus sign. Alright, so that is one battery. Alright, nice. Now it's time to, oh, bro, please go in. Yes. Nice. So now, the carbon monoxide alarm is absolutely working. Let's go ahead and test it. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the smoke alarm now. Alright, so I tried to take the mounting bracket off of the smoke alarm, and unfortunately, I think I've heard that the smoke alarm model number is 20SD10. So the 20SD10, the mounting bracket on the 20SD10, it cannot really be taken off. It can only be placed on and it can never be taken off. It's just stuck there forever. So that was kind of a complete fail. But that is not a problem for me, as because I have a ton of alarms upstairs. If you guys want me to show you that right now, let's go ahead and show you the smoke alarm room. You can literally see that I have a ton of alarms right here. Literally, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Literally 10 alarms in total. So why would we need the smoke alarm for something? For like when we have 10 alarms, like, because we already got one right here. Look at this. As you can see, this is a carbon monoxide alarm without an LCD screen, and this is a carbon monoxide alarm with an LCD screen. So yeah, anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoy, and if you did, make sure you hit a like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon for notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.